Yo, what's good? Welcome or welcome back to the channel. Brand new channel, Trap Money Lotto. On this channel, I will share my thoughts on money, personal development, and you will see a little bit of my lifestyle, right? When it comes to money, I'm talking about investments, life insurance, earning money, starting a business, real estate, those things, right? Personal development, spirituality, health, emotionally, physically, all those good things I'm working on myself that you could potentially do the same, right? To help you get better. And then lifestyle, what little vlogs maybe here and there, who knows? Just stay tuned to see. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the content that you see here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and enjoy this video. Let's go. Yo, what's good? Welcome to the channel. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and hit that notification bell. I go by Trap Lotto now, Trap Money Lotto, right? I was checking out, doing my scans for the weekend, and I came across this company PCG, right, or PG&E Corporation. Just a brief rundown on who they are, what they do. They are a Pacific Gas and Electric Company. They engage in the sale and delivery of electricity and natural gas to consumers in Northern and Central California. Right, so they out here in Cali, where I'm at. It generates electricity using nuclear, hydroelectric, fossil fuel fire, fuel cell, and photovoltaic sources. As of last year, December 31st, the company owns and operates approximately 18,000 circuit miles, yada yada. Okay, all the good stuff, right? So they're a natural gas electric company, right? Cool. Let's see what type of money they make. Go to financials, and this is yahoofinance.com for the record. So Yahoo Finance, according to 2018, they made 11.6 million. 2019, 12.5 million. 2020, during the pandemic, 12.5. So they stayed afloat, right? 2021, 14.5. So you see growing revenue. Okay, let's go to, we already opened it up. Let's go to tipranks.com. Let's check out what the smart guys, what the analysts say this stock is worth, which they say it's worth 16.69 cents. They say it has a 63% upside, right, on average. All right, cool. Currently, we are at $10.24. But these guys say it's worth $16.69. So we have a potential opportunity here to make some money. So first, what I would do is let's add auto support and resistance. So now it's currently reaching resistance, right? So if it pushes through this 10, 30, $10.40 area, it definitely can run to at least $12, right? And why do I believe that? Because that's where it fell from. It fell from 12. Yeah, it fell from this area. So that would be the first price target, $12. Let's just make it easy and simple. This area, anywhere in this area between 12 and 13, but let's do 12, right? And look, it has two gaps to fill, so that's pretty good. It has a gap fill here at $11. Then it has a gap fill here at $11.65. All right. So first, if you don't delete, first price target will be, call it even 12. Second price target, we could do 12.5, $12.50. Third price target, we do $13, right? Cool. Remember, Tip Ranks for Smart Guy says worth almost $17. So it's a high probability. These are all only high probability trades. These are not guaranteed whatsoever. And I am not a financial advisor. So, why am I convinced that this stock is ready to run? First, let's look at the RSI, right? Relative Strength Index, which indicates when the stock is either oversold, meaning a lot of people have sold the stock, or if it's overbought, meaning it's hot. So when it's overbought, it's high and the stock is hot and it's a good time to take profit. When it's oversold, the stock is cold and it's a good time to potentially put some money in, right? So currently it's pretty low. It's at 40. It's below the midway. Cool. Something else I love, this MACD. MACD has crossed over, this black line has crossed over the red. That's a very strong indication that this stock is pushing up. It has potential to push even higher. So you have that. Histogram is ticking up, along with the stock is already ticking up. Now, what I would love to see before I get into this trade is it to touch and close just above this 20-day moving average, this green line here, right? I would love to see it touch just above that. And it's off to the races after that. So let's see how much we can potentially make. Okay, so if we buy now at $10.24. We hold $12, right? We're looking at 16, almost 17% return on your money. So let's just do the calculations real quick. Hold on, let's do this. Now, if we hold to 12, let's say $12.50, we're looking at a 22% return on your investment. Now, if we hold until $13, we're looking at 27% return. Now, even if we hold, and they're not gonna show me, but if we was to hold, what is this, to 12, 13, it ain't showing me. I was trying to see if we held to $17, but I can't really see. Okay, so these are 3 price targets for you, right? Let me open up the calculator and give y'all a better insight on the potential, like your potential profit margin. And with this, honestly, okay, let's set a stop loss, right? Just because I would set my stop loss. And that's tight. I would set it at about 990, I guess. No, I'll set it at 980. So about 45 cent. That's tight though, because it could easily go back down here and retest this support level and then shoot back up. But I mean, it's looking very strong. It's looking like it's ready to run, so I'm not worried about it. But if I was to set a stop loss, it would be probably like around 980. So I will be risking 45 cents to make a dollar, and what's that, 76 cents. So that's a pretty good, risk to reward ratio. Okay, so let's open up this calculator, right? So let's say we invested $1,000 for easy math. You multiply that times, what is it, 16%? Let's call it 17%. You will make $170, right? Now, let's say we took that same 1,000 and we held till $12.50 for 22% return, right? We're looking at $220 profit. Let's say we took that same $1,000 and we held to $13. So that's just 27%. Hold on. $270, right? And look, these runs, these percentage gains, they could happen tomorrow, meaning the next day the market open, which would be Tuesday after July 4th. It could take a month. It could take 3 months, 6 months, maybe a year. Who knows? We don't care, because at the end of the day, unlike options, these investments, they don't expire. So we could just hold our money there. And honestly, say you buy here at 10.24 and it dips down and $10 or $9.50, you can add to this swing trade, you know, or you can exit the trade. Depends on your risk tolerance. It's all up to you. And yeah, that's how I would run this play if I was to get into it. I'm looking at it. I might just buy some shares to invest and hold for the long term, or I might swing trade. Who knows? But this is a cheap stock to get into, and I suggest you go look at it, man. Appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Hit that notification bell.